Hey everyone, welcome back to lizfenwickdiy. DIY. If you clicked on this video, you are wanting to see some bathroom organization and decorating. And I have a lot to do. The reason I called it the ultimate is because I have so much organizing that I'm gonna do. I also have some really great decorating tips and things I'm gonna do. I have some shelves above my bathroom and some new organizational products that I can't wait to share with you. I wanna thank today's sponsor, ItSONGMICS, for providing me with some of the organizational things that I'll be showing you throughout this video. So let's get started. So the first thing I wanna do is clean out underneath the cabinets, figure out what we have and kind of put them in categories so that I can come back in with some organization and make it all make sense. I already have some organization underneath my cabinet and I'll probably keep all that, but my husband's cabinet is a different story. So I'm gonna pull everything out, make our categories, and we'll go from there. Okay, so my first tip for organizing, which I have not done very well, is to not have too many duplicates. So we travel a lot and we, have all of these little like travel cases, but realistically, I only use a couple of these, so I really could get rid of some of these. We also hold on to like the Ziplocs because you put a lot of things in Ziplocs when you're traveling. So I think I'm just gonna fold these up and keep these because there's no need to reuse those. And then this whole container is like toiletries. So I'm gonna go through, pare this down, see what, really some of these are probably empty. Maybe I can combine some things. And that way we'll just have kind of a smaller travel section. Okay, so now I just have one container of basically our travel bags, which I think is pretty good. I love these white containers. These are all from Dollar Tree, and I just think they're perfect for $1 for organizing. Now I'm gonna go through and see if I can get rid of some of this. Okay, so I kept most of it, but it's in a little bit of a smaller container. And I think whenever I put these back in the drawer, I'm gonna put them towards the back because we only pull these out whenever we travel, so they don't need to be front and center. So these are gonna go in the back. When you need extra storage in your bathroom, having a little small cabinet like this is perfect. I have this wall over here and it sits perfectly on the wall between like where you enter and my shower room. This VASAGLE cabinet was sent to me by today's sponsor and I love it. It's close to the wall. This only measures about 12 inches out, so it's really not going to take up a lot of room, but it's gonna provide me with extra storage. I'm gonna put my skincare up here. And then down here, I think that I'm gonna put all of our hand towels and maybe washcloths down here. So this is storage that I won't have to take up in the cabinets. So I love to add in decor that's actually functional. So I picked this up for $2.50 at the thrift store. And I'm gonna put some Q-tips in here and it is gonna look so adorable sitting out. All right, we tackled underneath the sink, got things organized in our cabinets. Now we have to tackle my jewelry. I have the most amazing jewelry cabinet from VASAGLE, today's sponsor, that I want to share with you guys. It literally is hanging on my door. Now you don't have to hang it, you can hang it on a wall if you don't want to hang it on a door. But right here is where I get ready. It has a full-length mirror on it. And then look at this, you guys. It's lighted up jewelry organization. How amazing is this? So literally all of my jewelry will fit easily in this cabinet. I just love how compact it is. It literally takes up no space. So this is gonna be perfect for organizing all of my jewelry. And the best part is that it has a full-length mirror on the front. Okay, let's get to organizing my jewelry. I love that it has the posts here because so many of my earrings I have to lay down that have the posts. And then you can also hang your earrings up too. So this is gonna be great. So these earrings have posts, so I can stick them in and put the post on the back. I am just obsessed with that jewelry cabinet. I think it's amazing and literally could fit in all my jewelry in there, so it's so perfect. Now I want to do a little bit of decorating. I'm going to use the VASAGLE wood floating shelves above my toilet. You guys, I literally had nothing in this room. It was so plain and boring. You wouldn't have believed that it was my bathroom. So I had my husband hang up these amazing floating shelves, and now I'm just gonna use a little bit of creativity and decorate it up. So come watch me decorate these shelves. Okay, you guys, I feel like I have organized and decorated and my bathroom is looking pretty nice. You'll have to let me know in the comments what you think. If you're interested in any of the storage products that I used in this video, I'll link them down in the description box. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I post several DIYs each week, and I'll link our last video for you right here. And I will talk to you guys in our next video. Bye.